If you have a large family or entertain a lot, there's a good chance that your garage is home to a second fridge and a pantry area for extra household supplies. I'm gonna help you get that all organized right now. Start by gathering up all the food and bulk items. Organize your items by type and store it in clear bins with lids. Food products intended for longer term use should remain dry, so storing food in a sealed container is a must. This also protects food products from dust and any rodents or animals that may make their way into your garage. Having a second refrigerator in a garage is a pretty common thing, but it isn't a great idea for everyone. It all depends on the climate you live in. Generally, it's recommended that refrigerators only be placed in rooms where temperature stays between 60 and 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Pro tip, keeping your fridge well stocked helps it maintain its temperature without overworking. Storing gallons of water in there is a great idea if you aren't completely stocked. All these household items are organized, easy to find, and the best part, it took me less than an hour to pull it all together.